everyone, welcome to Genic Education. So the next question in the G score series is based on the current density related with the magnetic field index, right? So how the current density is related with the magnetic field intensity. So from the Maxwell's equations already we know, okay, the current density J is equals to del cross magnetic field, right? So it is the point form of the Maxwell's equation. Okay, so these are the questions which are asked in the GATE examination. So these kind of questions will be asked in the GATE examination. Okay, so he will not ask very tougher level questions. He will ask the only the basic level question. Okay, so for that purpose you should have a minimum basic knowledge about this electromagnetic, right? So let us talk about this question. Read that question. Cylindrical region rho less than or equal to 0.6 mm, h phi is equals to divided by rho plus rho divided by 2 ampere per meter. While h phi is equals to 3 divided by rho ampere per meter for rho greater than 0.6. Okay, determine J for rho less than 0.6 mm and rho greater than 0.6 mm. Right? So this is the question. So here it is given that it is a cylindrical region, and also the vector field means magnetic field is given in the cylindrical system. Okay, the magnetic field is given in the cylindrical system. Okay, so you have to calculate the magnetic field intensity, current density in cylindrical system only. Okay, so now if I take the first question, so if I take the first question, so we have to find the current density. So what is current density from the Maxwell's equation? Means point form of the Maxwell's equation, current density J is equals to, it is del cross H bar. Okay, so here also we will get a J bar because current density is a vector quantity, right? So current density is a vector quantity. So already H bar, H phi is given. H phi is given. Is H phi is given. Means the phi component of the magnetic field is given. Okay, the phi component of the magnetic field is given. What is the rho component? Rho component is 0 and also Z component is 0. That means what can I write? So H bar is equals to 2 divided by rho plus rho divided by 2. Okay, a phi is given. Means rho component is 0 and Z component is also 0. And also this is for what? This is for rho less than or equals to 0.6 mm. Okay, and it is 3 divided by rho a phi, 3 divided by rho a phi, rho greater than 0.6 mm. So this is the original question given. Means H bar is given. So here a rho component and a z components are both are zeros here, right? So now come to this. So we have to find the current density. So how can you find the current density? So before finding the current density, we should apply the curl for this vector field. Okay. So while we are writing the curl for any coordinate system, okay, you should go for the generalized formula. Okay. So what is the generalized formula? So already we know the generalized formula. It is equals to 1 divided by h1, h2, h3 means 1 divided by rho h1 into AU. Okay, h1 into AU. So h1 is 1 into AU means a rho. Okay, h2 into A5, h2 into AB means h2 means it is rho into A5, right? Next h3 into AW. AW is AZ here. Okay, so 1 into AZ. Okay, so 1 into AZ. So dou by dou U means dou by dou rho, dou by dou phi, dou by dou Z. Okay, dou by dou Z. So here H1 AU, H2 AB, H3 AW, right? So here H1 is 1 into A rho component means H rho component is 0 here. So it is 0. There is no H rho component and there is no Z component also. Only H phi component is presenting. So H phi component is presenting. So here the scaling factor I have to write H2. that is rho into is 2 divided by rho plus rho divided by 2. Okay, 2 divided by rho plus rho divided by 2. So this is the entire components here. Okay, so you have to find the determinant of this. Okay, you have to find the determinant of this. So while we are finding the determinant, how can you find? So here 1 divided by rho, 1 divided by rho, it is a phi into this a rho into okay, dou by dou phi of 0, it is 0, dou by dou z, it is also 0, right? Minus rho into a phi into okay, dou by dou rho of 0 and dou by dou z of 0 means it is also 0, right? Plus az into okay, dou by dou rho of, so here rho will get cancelled, here dou by dou rho of, here dou by dou rho of, here rho will get cancelled, here you will get 2 plus this rho square by 2, this rho square by 2, right? I am writing here. So this is plus okay, az into dou by dou rho of this one, okay, dou by dou phi of this one. Okay, so here if you simplify this, finally how much you are getting? So here it is 0, okay, so the dou by dou rho of 2 is 0 and it is rho square divided by 2, so this is 2 rho, it is 2 rho divided by 2, that will be rho, okay, 2 rho divided by 2, that will be rho. So finally how much you will get? So here az means 1 into az ampere per meter square. So this is the final answer we are getting. Okay, so how much you are getting? 1 into az ampere per meter square, 1 into az ampere per meter square. So this is the final answer for bit A. Okay, so now if you want to solve the question B, now what will be the answer for this? So you have to apply the same formula. Okay, you have to apply the same formula, but you have to take the expression of the magnetic field intensity for rho greater than 0.6 mm. Okay, rho greater than 0.6 mm. So the expression for the curl is same. Okay, so here you have to write, instead of writing this one in this place, you have to write this value, means a phi component you have to write this here. So 3 divided by rho into rho. Okay, because H2 H phi component, H2 into scaling factor into H phi component I have to write. Okay, scaling factor into H phi component. So while you are writing, so how much you will get? So anyhow it is 0, it is also 0. While you are writing here, while you are writing the az component, okay, while you are writing the az component, so how much you will get? So rho will get cancelled, dou by dou rho of 3, how much you will get? So dou by dou rho of 3, how much you will get? It will be 0. Okay, so final answer will be rho. For this the answer is 0. So these questions will be asked in the GATE examination, right? So all that you have to learn that is, right? So this is the final answer, right? The answer for this question is, right? So here the current density differs, okay, based on the region and also the radius also, right? So this is the current density.